Hello and welcome to Bose Garage. If you are the owner of an old bullet, you might have heard this statement once in a lifetime.
Yes. Oh, this is the old model hub. If you have a puncture, you are in serious trouble, mate. Or there might be people who might have advised you to change this old model hub to the new type.
Yes.
All because everybody thinks that this is quite difficult to remove the rear tire in case of a puncture. And even the puncture walas, if you call them in case of a puncture, the moment they hear it is an old bullet, sorry, we are not available.
Yeah.
You need to do it by yourself.
Yeah.
Actually, it is not that difficult. If you, I think till 1982 or 1983, we had this old model hub, which we call the cycle hub,
Which actually is called the full half width hub.
half width hub,
The new models are called the full width hub.
full width hub. So, if you take the owner's manual of any bullet before 1982 or sometime in the 70s or 60s, the procedure to remove the rear wheel is very well explained in that.
Yes.
We found an owner's manual from 1972. That one also describes a procedure. In case of a bullet, even the later models,
Yeah,
even
the UC bullet.
UC bullets also, you might have
that is applicable to the UC one too.
exactly, because if you notice, the rear mudguard is fixed on two metal stays. It's actually a common design
Yeah.
for all the British bikes of that period. You take AJS, Matchless, Ariel, or anything.
Everything.
It's designed in such a way that once you remove the seat, you can quickly detach the rear mudguard
Yes.
after loosening 4 nuts. Out of that 2 nuts, you can loosen using your plug spanner.
Yeah. That too was a clever design by Royal Enfield of England.
Exactly, because the tools that are provided with the vehicle when it is new is enough for you to remove the rear tire and do some general maintenance on the vehicle. So we will show you how to remove the rear tire. The only extra job that you need to do is you need to remove the seat,
The chain guard maybe.
the chain guard, and also you need to remove the chain, because in case of a old bullet it comes as a single set.
Yeah.
But once you do this, it's very easy. You can even do it on your own. You can try it out by yourself when you are at home.
Yes.
And so
You can make sure that you won't be stranded on the road.
exactly.
Yes.
So let's go to the video. Actually, there is no explanation given in the video because
It's a simple procedure.
it's a very simple procedure and self-explanatory.
Yes.
So we will just show you how to remove and how to assemble. So we hope you all watch the complete video. We hope it will be helpful for you and informative as well. If you have any concerns or any feedbacks, do comment below the video, or you can contact us on our email ID bosegarageisnow@gmail.com.
So see you soon with another video. Till then, thanks for watching Bose Garage.